welcome page. So it looks a bit different. We've got a menu down the left. The first menu item is actually taking you to a brand new section of the website called Research and Support Articles. It's a little blog. It's got a category menu down the side just for the blog. So the category menu will get you direct into a topic, and that'll keep growing, that category menu, and the blog itself is just at the moment I think about, I don't know, less than 20 articles in there, and they're just over 2 pages, but that's going to keep growing, so you might want to start using the category menu in the future. You've also got to search this website window at the top of the menu, so you can put anything you want in there and it'll search the whole website and bring up results for you. We've got the menu item here that opens up on a desktop to show you that it contains the A to Z list of threads and files, which I often link to in the group to help people find their way around the group, how to use the threads and files at the top of the page. But for everybody who knows how to use it, the new feature is that you've got a quick zoom at the top of each page that'll take you down to the letter of the beginning of the word that you're searching for. So say I'm wanting to look up mebendazole, bang, I just come up here and go mebendazole, and it'll take me into the group space. I won't go in there because this video is going on YouTube and there might be comments in the group space, but that's where those links take us to, into the private group space, straight into that discussion thread on that topic. And that's why this page can be really useful, save you time, get you directly to where you need to go. So there's also some information about posting etiquette, about the group itself, anyone is interested in learning more about that. Actually at the top, about me, I'm the one who started the group and caretake the group. There's a page there about me. So yeah, the menu all unfolds. Into the breast cancer resources, we've got the Breast Cancer Pathways Project. We've got other supports for breast cancer patients, other groups. We've got a community, the Radiant Healing Together communities featured. Take your time with each of these resources, especially the Breast Cancer Pathways Project. It's quite a big page in and of itself. If you don't have breast cancer and you're just interested in understanding the hallmarks of cancer better, I suggest going in there, reading that page and downloading the worksheet anyway. It's going to be useful, really useful, and something you can adapt, and perhaps you'll create a prostate cancer pathways worksheet, be able to share within the community and help other people get up to speed with what they need to do in order to support their standard of care therapies and their recovery and ways to reduce the chances of recurrence and stay healthy. There's also this page unto itself called Cancer Podcasts, websites and other resources, which is going to grow. If you've got something you want to add to this page, please send it to me. So there's stuff there to do, download, listen to, apps to support you, communities to support you. The Radiant Healing Together community is for breast cancer patients in remission or in treatment of all ages, all breast cancer types. I've joined the community. There's more. If you click on that link, you can learn about the community and how to join and get a free two-week trial and a discount. This is actually our supporters and discounts code page. Without this, we wouldn't be able to create the website, and I wouldn't be able to spend all the time I do looking after the group and doing the research summaries that I do and the things that I share. In return for finding suppliers that can give you guys discounts, I get contributions from these companies towards my own expenses. So yeah, it's a really win-win for everybody. And anyone in Australia that's interested in high-dose oral vitamin C can check out my alcohol-free Lipo-C monthly subscription service. yeah, so the newest thing really is the A to Z list, which is not it. This is the other new thing. This is the blog articles. You can subscribe. There's a subscription just there on the right, and at the footer of every page, you can subscribe so that you can actually get a little notice in your email every time there's a new blog article written. I'm hoping to do one every week. It could end up every fortnight. I'll see how I go. I've got so many I want to write. It's just finding the time. And there's some more links and navigation tools down the bottom. So that's it. Enjoy. And there's a contact page. Contact page if there's something that you want to let me know about. Contact us. It's at the bottom there of the footer. And also, I want to say a big thank you to Simon, my fellow Aussie, my neighbour, my friend Simon, who created the new website. This is his page, twoluckyducks.com.au. He works with businesses all around the world, big in America, works from his little shed here on his property in the bush, making incredible websites. His portfolio's on here. A lot of work, very different from what you're seeing on my site. But if you're looking for somebody to help you on a project, Simon's got it all going on. He's super fast. He's passionate. He knows how to do all the safety features and the analytics features, everything that you need to make a professional website. He ticks all the boxes. Thanks, Simon. Back to this. I'll sign off by just going back here. Remember, search this website. Suddenly you're thinking, I want to learn more about curcumin. You'll find any articles on curcumin. So that's probably a really good way just to navigate the site for now, searching. And this will also open up your A to Z list. If you just put in there A to Z, you're going to get the A to Z page.